Hey YouTube, welcome back guys, and happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Yeti blue microphone. So let's go ahead and get it started. I purchased this on eBay. 49 plus 13 something for the shipping fee. So total is about $63. And then retail price for this, I think, is about 180 bucks or 130 around there. I forgot, but let me, you guys can check it out on either Best Buy or Amazon if it's a new one. I think the 180 bucks, that's the one that they come with the games or something. But anyway, if you want, you could find it on eBay for around 120 bucks, a brand new one. But I didn't want to pay the full price since the microphone is just a microphone. But hopefully it's not defective, so I'm going to test out. Because if you buy on the eBay, you get like a 30-day in case there's a problem with it. You have a buyer protection. So the reason I got this microphone, it has 4 different kind of function for the mic. This one does not come with the box. Well, this is the box. But I'm talking about like an original box. Wow. So it comes with this long USB to micro USB. No, this is not micro USB. This is the old school plug for like a GPS. The microphone is pretty heavy. Wow, man. Holy smack. Pack it pretty well. There are a couple of the scratches and stuff, but it doesn't really matter because wow. This one actually looks almost like brand new, the microphone itself. Or just a couple scratches right here. Maybe I could wax it or something to get the scratch off. Let me try to tighten it down with this knob. So there is your mute button. And then you have this volume control. And on the back here, you got the gain. And you got the 4 different patterns. I think this is the bi-directional or stereo, front and back or something. This is your mesh cover for the mic. And then this one comes with the stand. Got a cushioning and padding on the bottom right here. So this is where the plugs go. And then you connect the USB to your computer. And then here is the mounting hole right here. I don't have this size of screws to mount it, so maybe I need to purchase the kit. But mainly I'm gonna use it for on the table or something like that. So wow. So this one is actually pretty heavy. I have the snowball, but I think it's about the same. Well, part has to be a little bit heavier because of the stand. So anyway, I'm going to do a couple of the ASMR videos, and I'm going to test out with this microphone, and hopefully you guys like it. Well, anyway, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification, and drop me in the comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace.